everyone. Today I will show you a very neat trick which can be very useful when you are doing some development. So first we will look at one script. This is using inotify. This inotify is very useful for watching your file system for any modification or addition of files. So if you are using Ubuntu, you can install this inotify-tools package and you will get a couple of inotify related tools which you can use. I will be showing you one example here with inotifywait. So what I am doing here is I have a very simple bash script which does a infinite loop and runs inotify watch. -R is for recursive. E is for the type of event that we are looking for, and format is the output format that you want from this command. -Q is to ensure that there are no other messages split coming out from inotifywait, and then we have --exclude to exclude.swp file. This I have to give because I am using Vim, which will be creating swap files as soon as I start editing a file, and I don't want to fire the event based on the swap files. And dot means current directory. I can give any directory here. Now I am taking the output of this into another loop because there could be multiple files which are edited at the same time if someone does a wall or something like this, and then I can process each of the line with whatever command I want. This can become as complex as you want it to be, or it could be as simple as we are seeing it here, where I am just displaying the name of the file and then running it through a bash command. So let's see this in action. I'll run this here and then I'll create a a.sh here. I'll just say echo testing for inotify tools. Now as soon as I save this, watch the below window and see what happens. So as you can see, it immediately got the file name and executed it. Now since there was a error in my script, it didn't execute it, but let's fix that and save it again. And you can see that it displayed the file name, and then it also ran the script with bash. Now this we can make very fancy as we like it, because this is all based on what we are processing it with. So for example, if I want to say if I want to wrap my whole output into those stars, I can just modify the script with 2 echo commands, and as soon as I fix my script here and do a save, there is a backup file. So I should modify my script. It is basically taking both the file names together. I'll modify it to have a new line as well, and then I'll save the file. think it is not using new lines, so I can do it like this for I in this. And you can see something went wrong. This should be line. Okay. So now you can see it is running both the commands separately, and the script is being run. Now, for the purposes of demonstration, let me remove the problem is star. So let me put it like this. So now when I save the script, you can see that it has wrapped my output into those lines created with star. So this tool is basically very useful and powerful, and you can use it in enormous way, and can be used for doing a make when you change your C files or doing any other changes that you might want to. Thank you.